Let me show you that how you can earn money from Tango app. You will get the Tango app link from description box. From there you can download this application, and after downloading this application it will tell you to choose something like what you want. What is your interest? You are interested in singing, in music, in dance, in fun, in art, in fitness, in lifestyle, in random, in talking. So let me choose talking. Okay, music, dance, and let me click on done. After clicking on done, here you will see you will get one option which you can see here. You have to click on that. Okay, let me click on this, and after clicking on this, here you will again get one option, and this is sign in option. So first you need to sign in. Before sign in, let me make you understand this option. Like there you will see one option, get money. Now what is this get money? So if you click on get money now, you have to click on sign up with Google or Facebook or your from phone number. So I will prefer sign up with Google, and let me click on sign up with Google. So I have signed up with Google, and here you can see I have 742 diamond. Okay, and it is saying that I need at least 5,000 diamond left for the first redeem. Okay, after that I can redeem my money. So let me click on this, and as you can see, as you need a minimum of $25 to redeem. Now how to earn money? The best way to earn money is, first you have to give your Payoneer account. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to go live, you have to stream live, and if you stream live now, then many person will come in your live stream and you will earn money. And you will get the link from description box. Click on the description box, click on the link and download the application. So if you want to do live something, then it's the best application for you. And from here you can check statistics, and from here you can check top gifters. Now doing live is very easy. You just have to click on this camera icon which you can see, and after that you can do live. If you get any chat message, then you can see from here. Okay, so you must try this application. This is one of the best application, Tango application, and you will get the link in description box. Click on the link and download the application. And thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel.